Okay, we've had some wind for the past couple days, and I wanted to point something out here. I thought it would be a good idea to have a bearing here and a bearing up here, but what's been happening is the frame will vibrate, and that moves the shaft axially relative to the bearing, and that's slowly filing the idea of the bearing out. It takes a long time, but it's actually opening up the idea of that bearing. So I think in future designs it would be better just to have the bearings at the bottom on a stout shaft, and then just have a rotating part in the middle here, unless I can make some accommodation for some movement up here. Anyhow, yesterday, seems like the rain started to pick up. It's not quite fast enough to start charging, but yesterday we started out at 248, I believe the watt hour meter was saying. Now we're up to 259, so we got a little over 10 watt hours of energy for the past couple days. And part of it is because it's so intermittent. I mean, when the wind picks up, we might get a good amount of wattage, but then the wind dies out again. I've taken this off the electronics. I'm just running the generator straight into this controller because for some reason my electronics don't seem to be working the way I expect them to. I don't know what the issue is. But if I want this thing to produce power at a lower voltage, or lower wind speed, I mean, I think what I'm going to do is take this bracket, swap it around, make this a fixed bearing, and then run a belt to the generator over here and have a little bit of speed up there. I don't know, 1.5 to 1 or something like that. So we'll speed up the generator and hopefully get power even though the wind's maybe at like 8 meters per second or something like that.